Best Robot Vacuum 2023 Product Review. Are you tired of constantly cleaning your floors? With advancements in technology, robot vacuums have become a game changer for keeping your home spotless with minimal effort. In this review, we will be introducing you to the top robot vacuums of 2023 and their features to help you make the best decision for your cleaning needs. First on our list is the ECOVACS Deebot N8 Omni robot. This all-in-one machine not only vacuums, but also mops and even empties itself after cleaning. Its AIVI 3D obstacle avoidance and YIKO voice control make for easy use, and it even works with Alexa. The OZMO turbo rotating mopping and 5000 pascals suction make for a deep clean, and the 3D maps feature allows for efficient cleaning. Next is the Dreametech L10S Ultra. This robot vacuum boasts fully automated cleaning, with automatic dust collection, mop cleaning and drying, and water refilling. Its advanced AI action and RGB camera ensure precise cleaning, and its 5300 pascals strong suction and dual rotary mops leave your floors spotless. Plus, the convenient app control and voice assist make for easy operation. The ECOVACS Deebot N8 Pro Plus offers 30 days of hands-free cleaning with its self-emptying station. Its 3-in-1 vacuum and mop feature, 2600 PA super vacuum power, and smart mapping with DTOF laser navigation make for a thorough clean. The precise object detection and avoidance and multi-floor mapping allow for efficient cleaning, and it even supports Alexa and Google Home. The Shark ION has a unique tri-brush system that combines side brushes, channel brushes, and a multi-surface brush roll for all surface cleaning. Its ability to sense ledges and stairs, avoid furniture and walls, and maneuver around potential stuck situations makes it perfect for navigating your home. Plus, the Shark Clean app and voice control with Alexa or Google Assistant make for easy operation. Last but not least is the Samsung JetBot AI Plus. This robot vacuum has object recognition with its powerful 3D camera and LiDAR sensors, so it knows how to navigate your home without picking up unnecessary items. The The front camera can even share real-time video via the SmartThings app. The LiDAR sensors create accurate room maps for precise navigation, and the intelligent power control feature ensures a thorough clean on any floor type.
In conclusion, the top robot vacuums of 2023 offer convenient, hands-free cleaning and advanced features for a spotless home. Whether it's the 01 ECOVACS Deebot X1 Omni robots all-in-one feature or the 05 Samsung JetBot AI Plus S object recognition, these vacuums make cleaning a breeze. We hope this review has helped you in making the best decision for your cleaning needs. Click the link in the description to experience the products. Thank you for watching.